Unlock the full potential of AI language models through the art and science of prompt engineering. This comprehensive tutorial will guide you from beginner to expert in crafting the perfect prompts to get the results you want from AI. Whether you're a developer, writer, marketer, or simply an AI enthusiast, this video is your key to mastering this essential skill. In today's AI-driven world, the ability to communicate effectively with large language models is paramount. This video demystifies the process of prompt engineering, providing you with the strategies and techniques necessary to harness the full potential of generative AI. Discover how to move beyond simple questions and start crafting prompts that elicit precise, creative, and insightful responses. What is prompt engineering? Definition: the practice of crafting effective inputs to guide AI language models toward producing accurate, relevant outputs. Core concept: strategic communication with AI to achieve desired results through carefully structured requests. Essential skill: a key competency for efficiently using generative AI tools in various contexts. Why prompt engineering matters. Quality results: better prompts consistently lead to better, more useful AI outputs. Time efficiency: reduces trial and error cycles when working with AI tools. AI partnership: empowers users to leverage AI as a true collaborative assistant. Wide application: critical in education, coding, content creation, and data analysis. Prompts, before and after. Poor prompt: tell me about Python. Results in generic, unfocused information that requires additional follow-up questions. Improved prompt: explain Python programming language basics with examples for beginners. Produces targeted, beginner-friendly content with practical code samples to aid learning. Student applications. Study materials: generate custom study notes, flashcards, and concept summaries from textbooks. Writing support: get assistance with essays, research papers, and creative projects. Coding help: receive explanations of complex programming concepts and debugging assistance. Q&A learning: ask specific questions about course material for instant clarification. Professional use cases. Communication: draft emails, proposals, and professional correspondence. Development: create code snippets, tests, and documentation. Documentation: automate reports, summaries, and technical writing. Creative ideation: generate fresh concepts and overcome creative blocks. Crafting effective prompts: be specific. Include details about your needs, context, and expectations. Define format: specify the structure, length, and style of response you want. Provide context: share relevant background information to ground the AI's response. Use examples: include samples of the type of output you're seeking. Advanced techniques. Chain of thought: ask the AI to explain its reasoning step by step for complex problems. Role assignment: direct the AI to respond as a specific expert, act as a data scientist. Few-shot learning: provide examples of input-output pairs to establish patterns. Structured input: use delimiters like triple hashtag or triple double quotes to organize different parts of your prompt. Common pitfalls to avoid: vague instructions. Ambiguous prompts lead to unpredictable results. Always be clear about what you want. Information overload: excessively long prompts can confuse the AI. Focus on relevant details. Conflicting directions: contradictory instructions create confusion. Maintain consistency in your requests. Neglecting iteration: prompt engineering is a process. Refine your approach based on results. Getting started today. Practice basics. Start with simple prompts. Focus on clarity and specificity. Analyze results. Review AI outputs critically. Identify patterns in successful prompts. Refine techniques. Experiment with advanced methods. Adapt to different AI models. Develop expertise. Build a personal library of effective prompts for recurring tasks. Stay informed about our latest content by subscribing and clicking the notification bell.